Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. So firstly I will show you default gestures, and then I will show you how to customize or add some gesture. Let me play some song. The touch area is located at the back side of your earbuds, right here at the top we have it. So if I press 2 times on my left or right earbud, I will play or pause the song. 1, 2, I just pause it, 1, 2, and I play song. If you press 3 times on your left or right earbud, you will play next track, 1, 2, 3. It works. And also we have press and hold. Let me open the application. So right here we have ambient sound control. And with press and hold at the left and right earbud, you can swap between these noise control modes. So just press and hold. Now I use normal mode. And as you can see, I just swapped to ANC. Then I press and hold again. And I swap to transparency mode. But we cannot swap to normal mode by gesture, of course. You can do this in the application. Now I press and hold again, and I return to the noise cancellation. But we can also add it. So let me show you how to customize these gestures. You need, at the main menu in the application, scroll down just a bit and go to the gestures. And right here, firstly, as you can see, by default, single press set to none. We haven't a lot of gesture here. So you can customize it. Firstly, let me show you with the noise cancellation, ambient sound control. You just tap on it at the left or right earbud, and right here you can select also normal mode. And you can disable some of these modes, but also always you need to select 2 these modes, because as you can see, I trying to disable transparency mode, but I can't because it said that I need to select at least 2 options. So you can just add normal mode here, also for the right earbud. To change it, also just tap on it, and let's say with the right one I wanna call voice assistant. Now let's check it. I press and hold at my right earbud, and I should call a Siri because I have iPhone. Can I? No, okay, it works. As you can see, Siri is awake. Also we can add single press, and you can play, let's say, previous track with it. Oh, and I forget to tell you swipe, sorry. So in a swipe we have only one option, it's to adjust volume. Now, if I slide up at the touch control on my left or right earbud, I will increase the volume. And as you can see at this widget that I increase it. To lower it you need to swipe down. And as you can see, it works. But yeah, you can also set volume control for the single press. Also right here we haven't to play previous track, so you can add it or some gesture. Let's say I wanna add it for the left earphone, so I tap on it and select previous song. So sorry, no, now let's check it, and I should play previous track with my left earbud. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And it works. That's it. Now you can customize it. You can also watch a video at this channel where I customized these headphones to best what it have by default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.